Hello everyone, welcome to the first video of this YouTube channel. Today I want you to show my scalping strategy. It's a quite simple strategy, but it's really difficult to trade. And the main point is that a scalping strategy based on session opening, so London opening or New York opening. This is the reason why I put a vertical line at 9 AM. That is the time when London opens. And now it's 10 AM, so it's a very good time to try a setup on an asset. The asset I'm actually trading are euro-dollar. You can find it on the top right of the screen, or pound-dollar, or dollar-yen. Of course, they are really correlated, so I need to choose just one of them. So, this will be a live trading session, and I'll try to do my best to show you my strategy. So, today we had a really sharp opening. As you can see, at 8 AM a bullish movement starts, and so what I want to see now, it's a kind of bearish movement, at least until maybe this level, but it doesn't matter the level. I just focus on the entry right now. And as you can see, during the London opening, we have a really sharp movement to the upside. And right now, price is trying to manipulate this level. You can see this is the up movement of the London opening. Now price is ranging, and now it is manipulating. So I want to show some bearishness, right? So, right now, I can see that this is the last break of structure to the upside. So, this is my last lowest point of the structure. So, for the moment, I wait till the price drop below this level. This is the first step. There are different scenarios depending on how London opens or how New York opens. Today, the scenario is the same. Today, the scenario is the one I already described, so really sharp opening to the upside, so I expect a kind of bearishness. But sometimes we had ranging London opening, for example yesterday. As you can see on the chart on euro-dollar, from 9 to 10 AM we have a very range movement, so I didn't trade the asset after London opening because it was really difficult to understand. Price can go up or down, it's 50-50, I mean. As you can see, today, on the other hand, in my opinion, liquidity stays below all this level, all this minimum. So, even if I had a bullish bias, especially because on 4-hour chart, I see bullishness. This is my last point, last low of the structure. This is my top of the structure, so we are in a bullish range. As you can see, this is the minimum, this is the maximum, this is the discount zone. Yesterday we see the price trying to go lower, but then price rejected the level, so now I expect bullishness. But since the strategy is a scalping one, it's okay to go short. right now. Of course, I can't expect a movement till the minimum of the structure, but at least till maybe this level or the level of the London opening. Yes, it's possible. Let's see. So for the moment, I just need to wait. I don't know if the price will give me an opportunity or not, but for the moment I just have to wait. And I think that the same is to, yes, the same situation is right now on GU. As you can see, we have here London opening, and this is the first hour of the day, movement to the upside, so now I can expect a kind of bearishness. And for what concern UJ, so dollar yen, it's a little different because we had a huge movement to the upside, then to the downside, so it's a little different. But right now I can expect bullishness because I think that right now liquidity stays above this hike. So if price start to go up, I can expect bullishness, so maybe something like this. And then from this level it's possible to go lower or to continue up, I don't know. But right now dollar yen is, in my opinion, is trying to go up while EU is trying to go down. As you can see right now, we see weakness. Price was very strong here and here, then start to build a range, and now start to try to go lower the minimum, but it is rejecting it, so it's too early now to enter the trade. But it's really possible to figure a setup really soon, so let's see. And also, if I have a look to the 5-minute chart, as you can see, we have a really sharp movement to the upside. So if we consider all the movement from the low to the high, and maybe we can help, I can help you with the Fibonacci retracement. I can expect a retracement at least to this level. Better to take out liquidity on this minimum, and this is the discount zone, so this is a very good level to again go long on the asset according to the bias and to the main structure on the high time frame. So everything seems really good, but on the other hand, the asset is very, very strong this morning, so I don't know if euro dollar will give me the opportunity to entry to open a short trade. It can continue to the upside. At least I'd like to see a movement till this level, because here there is a lot of liquidity below these minimums, as you can see. 1, 2, 3, 4. And from now, from here, it's possible to see again bullishness. But of course, it's better to see price dropping lower, because the lower I can enter the trade, the better will be the risk to reward ratio. So for the moment, I prefer to wait for a bearish setup, a short setup. So let's see what's happened. Price is in a range at the moment, but I'm really happy because I think that price is building a kind of bearish movement, because if you watch the chart on a 5-minute basis, you can see that here we had a break of this level, creating a new higher high, and then from this level price is trying to react, but it seems like it's not strong, so I think that very soon it will drop below this level. Let's see how this 1-minute candle closes. If it closes below, it's good for me. Okay, very good. Now let's see if we can set up a trade. So here we have a failure to create a new higher high, break of structure to the downside, and now I need to wait a little again to see if I can see the price maybe retracing a little bit and then enter short. So here price took out all this liquidity that, of course, it's not very strong, but I mean it was the first liquidity I can see on the chart. So here we have the first break of structure, and now I'd like to see another break. So something like maybe this before entering a short trade. So a good point of the strategy is to wait a second break of structure, because the first one, it's not really safe because it can be a kind of inducement. It can be just a manipulation to the downside to take out liquidity, and then price can go up again. But if you wait another break, this is a good confirmation. Okay, maybe I can show you an example in the meantime. Yes, for example, this situation is very similar to our short trade. We are on a bullish short-term trend. I mean this one. Okay, let's focus on this movement. Here we are in a range. Some people after this break of structure can say, oh, it's going down, so let's open a short trade. But price here is just taking out some liquidity to go higher. So here we have just one break of structure and not another one. Then price go up again. So this is what I mean. On the other hand, if you wait another break of structure, let's see if I can find an example for you just to understand better. Yes, maybe something like this. So here we are in a bearish movement. Then here the price break to the upside. Here price break again to the upside. So this is a good confirmation. And now I understand that I can enter, maybe open a buy position from this level or from this one. It's the same, depend on the strategy, but this is a good confirmation. Okay. So price creates another break of structure, but to be honest, I don't really like this break of structure because so after this drop, the maximum was this one, and after this movement, the maximum is the same. So let's wait a little again. I prefer to stay above. Price is very, very, very close to my level of liquidity. Beautiful. So from this moment, I can look for a short setup, right? So we are in the main box. Probably price will go up here, because here we have not volume, so price drops suddenly from here to there. So here there is no, resistance, but now price activated the liquidity, so I'm very, very happy for this reason. And now let's see when I can enter the trade. Probably my stop loss will be on the top of the structure to be very conservative, and as I said before, this will be my first target. But now let's see. Okay, so I think I can do my first entry on this asset. Okay, probably I'll put a screenshot of the trade. I enter 1.05252. Maybe notice that the price of the chart and the price of the broker is a little different, but it's very similar, so it's okay. And the level of stop loss is very similar because it is 1 pipette above. Perfect. So this is my trade. Now let me enter also the TP. That is 1.05129. I had to put it manually, to enter it manually, because as I said before, I don't install the MetaTrader platform on the PC yet, so it's a little boring, but it's okay. Next week I hope everything will be set up. Okay, my TP is a little lower, yep, 2 pipette below, but it's very, very similar, so around 2R. And I enter the trade at 12:19 broker time, so 11:19 for me, as you can see here on the lower part of the screen. So let's see. I'm really happy about this trade because I wait a lot. I hope I let you understand the logic behind the trade. Of course, it can go to stop loss. Of course, it can go a little bit higher before dropping. This is the reason why I put my stop loss above this high. No problem, absolutely. The main thing is that I really like to see a kind of momentum to the downside at the moment. So maybe meantime let's compare to the other assets. USD JPY very close to the level, but I will not trade this asset since I'm already in euro dollar, so remove this alert. As you can see, the price moves very similar to what I imagine, so now I expect some reversal, maybe from this level, something like this, but doesn't matter at the moment. Now let's see what's happened on EU. Still ranging, so I'm not very happy for this situation because I prefer to see volatility to the downside, but till the price doesn't go up, it's okay for me. So we enter in a very premium level because we are on the top of the structure. As you can see, maybe on the 15 minutes, we are very high. We enter after a lot of confirmations because we had the first breakout structure and the second one, and I mean not a third one, but a kind of manipulation of this low that allows price to build liquidity above this high. And now that this liquidity is taken out, we can enter with, I mean, less stress because the price now can go only in 2 points, or here, and it will be a stop loss, or at least there, maybe lower, because now the sellers came in. Liquidity are take out also from the buy side, so this is the first level where I can imagine the price to, I mean, lose power, okay? But on higher time frame, such as 5 minutes, yes, this is the first relevant level. I can remove this line, for example, or of course this level, or why not this one, the lower of the London opening. Everything is possible, even a stop loss. Now let's see what happens in the first minutes of the trade. Then, I mean, the work is done. Now I just need to wait. I want to see how the price moves for just the first minutes, because I want to see volatility, but it can also do something like this. And if sellers pushes the price down, I'm happy because it is. So price has took out also this liquidity, so it came out of the level I highlighted, and it's very close to my stop loss, but I'm still in the game. I mean, it's okay. Remember, we are in a very bullish structure, so it's okay for the price to go up, but in order to see the price in a higher level of price, in my opinion, it's better to see the price going lower before. So till now it's okay. I can remove this box now. This is the main one. I can leave it, and this is the volatility. I hope this volatility will bring our trade to the TP, because we took out all the possible liquidity. Now the price took out these levels, so it is rejecting, but I hope to see this candle closes below, maybe this level at least. Let's see. On a 5-minute chart, we can see that this 5-minute candle is closing with a very, rejection wick, so it's good for me. And now we can have a read for me. So now we are really close to the first, target. That is a good 1.5 R. That is very good, but I prefer to see now what happened and let the trade possibly came to the break even. So we are really close. So this was the original position, opened at 18 and 11. Let me check. And 19. Okay. By the way, I show you also the MetaTrader stats, so you can be sure of the trade. I will hide only the lots and of course the dollar amount, because it doesn't matter to anyone. I mean, the important thing is the strategy, and as I said before, it doesn't matter if you applied it to a demo account, a real account, a prop firm account, or what else. So perfect, my MetaTrader 5 closed the position. As you can see, this is the operation, and I'm very happy because it wasn't a simple trade, to be honest, but I'm happy about that also because it's a very good example of the strategy. So I hope you learn something. Now for the future, what can happen? A kind of reaction from this level, that is my TP, and then two things could happen: a new movement to the upside, continuation, or a rejection from this level, exactly as this one did. But let's see. In the afternoon, during New York session, I try to catch a long trade. So the lower the price go, the better for me. But for the moment, I took a 2R. So I'm really, really happy. Thank you for watching.